Hey Albert, why do you look so glum?
I am bummed out. This recession really has me down. My library would love to have some neat stuff that I sold on Amazon.com, but the state budget cuts have me eating spam lately. I could really use some help in getting some new materials for the library.
Well, why don't you start a wish list on Amazon? Your friends can check it out and purchase some items for the library.
A capital idea. Everybody shops on Amazon.com. How can people find out what's on my wish list?
It's so easy. Go to the library webpage, scroll down to the bottom of the page and click on the Amazon.com wish list button. Click on the Amazon.com wish list button in the center of the page, and your friends can select items to purchase for the library. Paying on Amazon.com is simple, and the items are shipped directly to the library. Donors will receive an acknowledgement of their gift, and each item gets a label listing the donor's name.
Wow, shopping for the library really is easy on Amazon.com. I have my eye on some items that will fit everyone's budget, even the proverbial mouse. I'm going to get started today.
Check out the library webpage and see how you can help the library by using Albert's Amazon.com library wish list.